In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download Google Chrome on your Windows computer. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to download Google Chrome and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. To get started, open a browser on your computer. You can easily do this by clicking the Windows Start button and typing Edge using your keyboard. Microsoft Edge, the default Windows browser, should appear. Click on it to open the browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the top web address bar and type google.com. Now, search for Google Chrome and select the first link that appears. On the Google Chrome page, click the Download Chrome button. You'll see a download prompt in the top right corner. Click Open File, and Google Chrome will start the installation process. Give it a moment or two to install, and once it's done, it will open up and you can start using it. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Don't forget to explore more tutorials and resources on our YouTube channel, Media Magnet Guide. Thank you for watching.